If you have bought a coins and immediately it dumped, or you sell a coins and immediately it pumped back, you should not worry anymore because this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically read the chart and understand it and know exactly when to buy and when to sell. Okay, first thing first, my name is Donniggiblockchain. If you are new in this channel, you are highly most welcome. In this channel, I teach how to find new coins in Dexscreener and simple strategy. So if you're interested about that, it's just for you to subscribe to this channel and turn up the YouTube notification bell and become the member of this family ASAP. Without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the main tutorial starting right now. So now you need to understand, what does the candlestick represent? You know, right here in 2026, it's not everyone trading crypto that simply know what does the candlestick represent. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be taking my time to explain everything bit by bit so that you will understand, even a learners will understand everything that I'm going to be explaining here. Okay, you know, the green candle represent that the price is going up, and the red candle represent that the price is dipping. Why the wick is the rejection? You know what I simply mean by the wick is the rejection is, it might happen the buyers is buying the coins while the sellers is keep on selling deeply, so that is where the rejection simply appears. Okay, or the sellers might be selling, the buyers is keep on buying, and that is where the wick is going to be showcasing himself. Okay, so anytime you see a long wick, it simply means buyers or sellers tried to push price but got rejected. So now let's quickly dive into the main theory part, the reason why you click on this video, the reason why you really want to watch this video and become successful in this 2026. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be dividing this video into 3 segments. Okay, the number 1 is going to be strategy 1, the number 2 is going to be strategy 2, and the number 3 is going to be strategy 3. Each of the strategies simply represent one stuff that I'm going to be explaining here. So what you need to do, you just need to watch this video to the very end so that you will understand everything that I'm going to be teaching here step by step, because every information that I'm going to be sharing here is valuable. It's not something that you can afford to miss. Okay, so take down your biro and your pen so that you can be jotting down some certain things that is need to be jottable. Okay, so the strategy 1, we are going to be talking about the importance of buying the dip. Okay, so we are going to be making use of these coins right here to explain the strategy 1 perfectly so that everyone is going to understand it step by step. Okay, you know, when we talk about buying the dip, it's not everyone that really understand this phrase, buying the dip. See, if you really want to become successful when it comes to trading, either meme coin trading, forex trading, or stock trading, or anything tradable, see, buying the dip is the key success of becoming a successful trader. Okay, so now we are on our 15 minutes time frame right here, as you can see the chart here. So let me show you the importance of buying the dip. You know, new buys, you people keep on buying when the coins is spiking up. That's the reason why you keep on losing your money back to back. You know, as you can see, this coins right here is spike up right from here to this piece right here. Okay, you know, some new buys might be seeing this coin when it starts spiking up, maybe from here they will put their money, you might make some profit, and there are some people that might cash it right here, they will invest their money, they might make some profit, and there are some people that might also cash the price right here and they will put their money. And when you put your money right here, you will just become the exit liquidity. Okay, but for me, the strategy that I'm using to trade and make money for myself, I'm trading the dip. Okay, anytime that I'm seeing that a coin is spiking up right from here to this extent, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chillax and hold myself and wait for it to dip, because what we all understand is that anything that goes up must surely come down, and anything that goes down must surely go up. Okay, so if for example now you wait for this price to dip and you stand a chance to got it right here and enter, you got it right here and enter, and it now spike up right from here to this extent again. Okay, to this extent again, automatically you should be making at least 2 to 3x right here, 2 to 3x right here. So if you invested $100, you should be making at least $300 to $400. You invested $20, you should be making at least $40 to $60. So that is how to simply trade the dip and make money for yourself without losing anything. So now that these coins have spiked up to this extent now, so what you need to do, you just need to wait a little bit for it to go down. As you can see, it spiked up to here. Here is, let me say, that should be 490,000 market cap right here. And if you are a pro trader, you understand the essence of buying the dip, you are going to be waiting for the coins to dip up to this extent. to dip up to this extent. Now that it has dipped up to this extent, it spike up to this extent also. Don't still buy, because it's still going to dip a little more. So what you are going to be doing is for it to wait a little bit for it to break out from this place right here, for it to break out here. So immediately these coins break out from here, that is your entry. Okay, so when it start retracing back, that is your entry. You just wait for it to break out here and start retracing back, that is your entry. And when you enter, this is where you are going to be saying you sell your number 1 here and you sell your number 2 here. I believe you now understand how to buy it. If you do not understand anything that I just explained right here in this video, please do not forget to comment, so that I'm going to be explaining it more better maybe in another video. Okay, so the number 2 strategy is sideways accumulation. We are going to be looking for a coins to use and explain how sideways accumulation simply works. Okay, see, let me use this little opportunity to let you know that if you are a new trader, like if you are a newbie in the game, okay, if you really want to grow that your $10, your $20, or even that your $100 that is sitting down right here, you should be focusing on sideways accumulation. Sideways accumulation is one of the most simplest strategy to start up trading and become successful with it. Okay, so let me just look for a coins that has sideways accumulation so that I can explain to you more better how it definitely works. So we are going to be going with this coins right here called Backwalker. This coins right here called Backwalker. So let's just click on it and see what it brings to the table. If the chart is going to give us the sideways accumulation, so that I'm going to explain more better, okay, for you people to understand. Okay guys, this is what we simply mean by sideways accumulation. As you can see right here, these coins, when it's launched, it spike up right from this extent to this extent right here, and from there it stop at 800k market cap, and from 800k market cap it start retracing back. Okay, so peradventure, if you buy these coins right here, you will still keep on losing. The reason why I say that you will still keep on losing is that these coins have not yet stopped his dumping. Okay, you know, this is the early buyers. Okay, the early buyers push this price right from the 0 down to 800k market cap. So for example, if you find any coins right here, please do not buy yet. Allow the early buyers to start selling their bags. When they sell their bags and you make sure that the price is well balanced, that is where you can be able to decide to where to entry and buy. Okay, so now this coins has started dipping from the 800k down here to 60,000 market cap. Okay, and as you can see, the price is not yet balanced, and it's now push up right here from this 60,000 market cap right to this over, is it up to 200k market cap right here. Okay, so what you need to do is just for you to wait for it to do a sideways accumulation. Okay, I'm going to show you how it's definitely look like. Okay, the reason why I'm using 1 hour time frame is because so that the chart is going to look more neat and clean. You know, these coins have been in the market space for over how many days now, so I just want the chart to look more good and clean. Okay, so what I'm going to be saying is that this first pump right here in sideways accumulation, this first pump right here, we call it the phase one. Okay, so what we are going to be looking, if you want to become successful, is for you to wait for the phase 2. We don't normally trade the phase 1. The phase 1 is for the early buyers, the insider, the snipers, and the early buyers. Okay, so when they sell their bag, we are going to wait for the price to balance, which definitely means that the buyers and the sellers is going to balance. When they balance, we buy and wait for the phase 2. You know, since when this coins did its phase 1 right here, it has not done its phase 2. I wanted to use this one as phase 2, but I now see that it doesn't work to become a phase 2. So the coins has been on a sideways accumulation. This is what we mean by sideways accumulation. It's not going up and it's not going down, it's just keep on going sideways. Okay, so if you are a new trader in the building, if you really want to become successful, you don't want to lose that your money, you should be trading a sideways accumulation. Okay, anytime you see a newly launched coins, allow it to pump first and allow the early buyers to sell their bag. When they finish selling their bag, just wait for the sideways to start making its movement. When the sideways start making its movement, that is when you should be buying and wait for the phase 2. Okay, so for example, now if you buy these coins right here, okay, where you are going to be selling this coin is going to be somewhere right here. Okay, this is where you're gonna be selling this coin somewhere right here for the phase 2. Okay, so even though you invested, let me say $5 in these coins right here, okay, you are gonna be making close to $50 to $70 if the coins go up to the phase 2 right here. Okay, you're gonna be making $50 to $100 right there. Okay, so that is the power of sideway. Okay, and it automatically work for new buy, but the baddest side is that we are going to wait. Okay, it need patience. Okay, it need patience, but automatically it will surely go up, but you just need to wait and be patiently and wait for it to go up. Okay, so that is the power of sideway accumulation. When I really started my crypto journey newly, I used this right way to build up my money before I start doing day trading. This sideway definitely work with swing trading. It might last for weeks, even 1 month before the coins will now spike up, depending on how the holders is active. Okay, so you just need to be looking at the community and see if the coins is not yet dead, if everything is still working perfectly. If the community is still active, it means that the coins will surely spike up. Okay, so that is the power of sideway accumulation. I believe you understand how sideway definitely work. So if you don't understand, please just comment in the comment section. Maybe in our next video I'm going to explain it more better. Okay, so the number 3 strategy is the volume confirmation, one of the most important part in meme coins. Okay, volume confirmation. See, let me tell you something that you don't really understand. All these new buys, the reason why most of you are keep on losing money here and there when it comes to trading meme coins is because you people refuse to take attention with the volume. You do not pay any good attention to the volume. Your own is just for you to check the chart. When you check the chart, you check the holders. When you check the holders, you just buy the coins without taking good pay attention to the volume or the community. See, let me tell you something. This volume here simply signifies that there is transaction going on in these coins. Okay, a coin that is still alive, there must be a transaction going on in that coins. If that coins is not alive, there will not be any transaction moving in that coins. Okay, so even a coins is dipping or the coins is doing sideways, if you really want to know that the coins is still alive, it's for you to pay attention to the volume. If the volume keep on increasing, maybe from 38,000, the next time you came back to look at the volume, you now see that it has spiked up to 40,000. Okay, that is when you are going to know that this coins is still alive. No matter what, is going to spike up back. Okay, apart from the volume, you still need to pay attention to the community. Okay, the coin that is still alive, the community must be active. Okay, you know that community is meme coins. Anything without community in meme coins, it automatically means that meme coins is dead. Okay, so what I'm going to be telling you, all these new buys, I know for the pro traders, they know this thing that I'm sharing with you, so I'm just telling you this thing for the new buys. Just always pay attention to the volume. Okay, so for example, when you find a coin that has the sideway accumulation and you buy it, what you need to do is for you to be paying attention to the volume. If the volume is not moving, or if the volume is keep on going down here and there, just go and sell your bag and move on and check for another coins. Okay, because it means that coins is automatically dead. Okay, you are just holding a dead coins because it's not gonna be yielding anything to you. Okay, so that is a strategy 3. And also, if you don't understand what I just share right here, just for you to comment in the comment section, so maybe in another video I'm going to explain more better to you. Okay, so another thing that I'm going to be explaining in this video is the selling aspect. Okay, especially all this new buyer that just started trading meme coins. The reason why you keep on losing money is because you are waiting for that 100x, you are waiting for 200x, you are waiting for 50x. See, let me just use this little opportunity to clarify something to you. That 100x will never come, that 50x will never come, that 200x will never come. If you really want to become successful when it comes to trading meme coins, what you need to do is just for you to take your profit initially. When you hit 2x, take your profit. When you hit 3x, take your profit. If peradventure, God bless you, you hit 10x, sell your bag and move on and look for another coins. Never you marry a coins. Okay, we are trading meme coins to date them. We are not trading meme coins to marry the coins. Okay, because if you do, that is is when you will keep on losing your money. And never you trade with emotion, because when you trade with emotion, that is where your physiology is going to control you. So what you need to do is just for you to buy the coins. Immediately you do your own necessary analysis and you find that this coin is legit, buy it. And when you buy it, wait for that 2x. When you get that 2x, bro, sell your bag and move on. Okay, because if you keep on waiting, that is when the coins is going to dip and you are going to lose your profit and also lose your capital. Okay, so I just want to clarify this thing to you. Okay, so if you are the type that have been holding coins for years waiting for that 100x, bro, you will not go anywhere. You just keep on holding that coins without achieving anything. Okay, what pro traders is doing, when you have 2x, bro, sell bit by bit and make your profit and move on. Okay, never you trust any coins. We are there to date the coins, we are not there to marry the coins, because if you marry the coins, that is when the coins is going to treat you bad. Okay, I believe you understand this thing that I just share with you now. So I'm going to be giving you a little poem so that you are going to be memorizing it anytime you want to go to your trading. Okay, the common mistake that you should be avoiding before you start trading is buying after big pump, holding too long, ignoring volume, or emotional trading. I repeat myself, buying after big pump, holding too long, ignoring volume, or emotional trading. I believe if you understand every single thing that I share with you in this video right here, you are going to be good when it comes to trading. If you are not that perfect, but you are going to be a little bit improved when it comes to meme coin trading. Okay, so meme coin trading is just all about understanding the basics. When you understand the basics, you are going to come out in a successful glowing color. Okay, so if you find value in this video, please do not forget to like, comment your thought, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, because that is another way around for you to just appreciate me, Donniggiblockchain, that I really appreciate your video, is for you to subscribe and become a member of this channel. And please comment what you are facing in your trading aspect. Okay, the circumstances you are facing in your trading aspect, so that we are going to be doing a video and make sure that we walk everything step by step so that you can come out in a golden color. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.